Hi guys, hope everyone is doing good. Last few weeks have been a bit crazy for me, doing data validation and reconciliation stuff for my client here in Melbourne. Anyways, let's see a quick demo on how we can show a GIF, which stands for Graphics Interchange Format, while hovering over an image. Okay. And also we will see how I guess most of the resources out there of Power BI might be knowing visual header tooltip, which is here, but still I'll cover for those who don't know. And the third thing which you see here is the play axis slicer. So if I click on play here, you will see animation effect in report, which looks quite good. So we will learn these three things in our session today. So let's get started. So guys, let's first see how we can get the GIF over this image. So if I go to this page named GIF, you see here I have added a GIF, and if I go to the page information, you will see the tooltip is on here. By default it will be off, so you have to make this tooltip on. And then if you go to wallpaper, or I guess we can add in the page background as well. So in the wallpaper, if you can add this GIF, and image fit you can select as fit. So that's all you have to do on this page to get that work as a tooltip, right? And yeah, remember to select the page size as tooltip, or maybe you can select your own custom size by selecting custom, right? So as you see here, the GIF is working. It's like displaying all the text and how to use that report basically. So it will be helpful for the users how they can use that particular report. So if I go back to the summary data, you will see here I have added a card on top of this image, and if I move this card up, and here is the image, right? So if I click on this card and go to this visual header, so tooltip has to be turned on. You go further down, I have selected the type as report page and page as GIF, right? And here is the image. Okay, so if I put this card on top of this image, right, and turn the background off, so if I click on, you will see nothing gets displayed. So I have to turn off the background to get that image displayed. Okay, and now if I hover on that image, you will see the GIF, right? So this is quite simple. Tell the user that he can use the report in this way, putting some text inside the GIF so that it will be helpful to the user. And obviously you can increase the size of this GIF so that the text inside the GIF are more visible. But still, if you see here, like whatever text I have written in the GIF are clearly visible. Like right click on the bar chart, click on the drill up button, drill down button, all those things are clearly visible in this GIF. Now if I show you what is going on in this chart, so it's a similar kind of thing which we can do here. So if I select the chart and go to the visual header, you have to turn it on and go to the visual header tooltip, and there is an option report page. Just select the GIF page from here. That's it. Okay. So as soon as you select the GIF page, here GIF will get displayed here. Okay. So this question mark icon is the visual header tooltip. So this can be turned on from here. Okay. If you want to select some other tooltip, like I have created a tooltip here. So like the price and approval of the particular products, the request number, all those data which I am showing in this chart. So if I select that tooltip page, the same will get displayed here. So it's a like kind of a static chart or a static table you see here, right? So this is another way of displaying the report tooltip, or the visual header tooltip I should say. Okay, now coming to the third part of this video, which is play axis slicer. Now this slicer we can get from the marketplace, which is now renamed as get more visuals. So if you click get more visuals and search for play axis, okay, so this is the dynamic slicer. You can click on add and you will get a icon like this as shown in my visualizations, right? This is the one. So you can add this one here, and you have to add a field on which you want your charts to get filtered. So I have added here month and year from my approved date, the columns in my table. Okay, and now next what you have to do to filter this these two charts, you have to select this visualization, go to the format tab from here and click on edit interactions. Okay, so once you click edit interactions, you have to select this filter option for this visual, and similarly filter option for this visual. So as soon as you click filter, so these two charts will get filtered according to those month and year, and it will be a kind of animation effect in the report. If I click here, you see all the charts are getting filtered according to the month and year. You can pause it, you can stop it. So as soon as you stop it, all the all the summarized data for those charts will get displayed, right? So this is one good way of filtering these visuals in the Power BI report, more appealing reports. And as you see here, I have given some shadow effect on all these charts, which looks pretty nice. So you can select the visual here and go to this format tab, and there is an option known as shadow here. Click on there, and you can choose the position of the shadow as well. That's one good thing. So outside position, okay, bottom right, so all those things you can do. So if as soon as I select inside, you see the shadow came inside. Okay, so all those things can be done from this properties pane of the particular visual. Similarly, I have done for this. So you can also select the preset of bottom right, top left, all those things, custom, center. Okay, so you can do all those things from here by looking at the properties. So guys, this is it for this video. Hope or like this video, and it will help you out in making more creative reports in your respective projects, respective organizations. All right, thank you and see ya.